Let's try to perform an activity that is going to prove or support law of inertia. Inertia is something due to which an object tries to remain in its initial state, okay, whatever it is, whether it is in rest or whether it is in motion. Okay, dear student, so we are having a card here. You can use a playing card instead of this empty glass. Okay, let's cover it with that card, then use some coin. We are using 5 rupees coin to prove our activity, such that as soon as we are applying some force to that card, this coin will fall inside the glass like that. Is it okay? Let's repeat once again with 1 rupees coin. Here it is. So as soon as a jerk is produced to that card, this coin once again goes inside that glass. It is happening because of inertia of rest, because this coin tries to remain in its initial state of rest. But what is happening, my dear? We are applying some force to that card. As soon as force is applied, card comes into motion, but that coin tries to remain in the rest. Let's try to repeat this activity. One more example. Beta, please be aside. Side में रहे. Let we are having some that paper or some silk cloth you can have, and this glass is kept over there. As soon as a jerk is produced to that card, wait beta. So what will happen? This card will stay at its initial state. Look at that. Okay, no falling of glass were there. Once again I am repeating for you. I have kept glass on some wrapper, so I am providing a jerk to that. This one I am handling over with my 2 hands and just now it is falling sometime because maybe some unbalanced force was there properly. We have to do it uniformly or it is tear off from here. So let's produce jerk. It should be horizontally like that. Okay, even more with the filled glass water we are going to prove it. Just wait. Now once again we are going to repeat this activity. I am having this wrapper which is often used to cover something at home. So now this glass is filled with water, this one like that. So whenever we are applying force to that wrapper, what will happen? These glasses may fall, but because, beta please don't talk, but because of inertia of rest, they will try to remain at their initial position. But it will be possible only if I am able to provide a uniform jerk to them, this paper. Okay, if it is little disturbed, then it may not happen. We need to give a continuous jerk like that. Okay, thank you student, thank you for watching. We have proved inertia with a few activity. I hope you will be happy with that one. Thank you for watching. Okay.